fluffy one. Keep out a section of the hair in the front. Cut it point of the eyebrow. Make it in a diagonal shape. And the hot iron, clump some of the strands together and then puff it out accordingly. Next, leave out a section of the hair in the front. Take a small portion off the center and then cut it right at the eye level, right down the center. Once more, put the comb through it and then make some vertical cuts into it as such. Take the sides and then measuring it according to the chin level at the bottom, cut it off accordingly. Cut it straight ahead. Now take the sides and then make diagonal cuts into it. As for the sides, make vertical cuts once you are done with it. Now take these two hair sticks and then add a little bit of fire to it. Pull a comb through it and then use these two hair sticks in order to curve the hair or puff it up ever so slightly. The heat is the component of it that makes it stay slightly puffed. Twirl it around these sticks. Next, take a section of the hair from the front. Taking a pair of scissors, cut it right at the eye level. Now, taking from the side, cut off a little bit of a portion of it. Once again, taking the pair of scissors, add comb through it and then pull it through till the bottom. Begin to make slight diagonal cuts through it. Make it a slight inverted U-shaped cut as such. Once again, pull the comb through the hair and then using a pair of scissors, make multiple vertical cuts into the hair as such. Now, pull the comb through and there you have it. As for the sides, cut off the slight excess that you have. Pull the comb through it and then take your your hair straightener or your hot iron and then slightly puff up the hair. Now for our next hairdo, take the entire section of the hair. After this, bring the comb to about eye level and then using your pair of scissors, make the cut right through the center. Once again, pull the comb through and then begin to make vertical cuts into it. Once again, pull the comb through the hair and then begin to make the vertical cuts. Once you are done with this, move ahead to the sides and then chop off the excess portion of the sides. And as for the center, it adds more volume to the entire hair and the face. Next, start off by taking the section of the hair from the front, then taking the pair of scissors, cut them, then taking your pair of scissors, make a diagonal cut right through it. Make it match to the portion in the center as such. Then take your comb and then begin to make vertical cuts into it so it forms a little bit of the gap between the sections of the hair as such. Take a small piece of paper and then put the paper under this hair. Fold this paper over the hair as such. Now use a hairdryer and once you let it go, it should have this puffed up look. This is how it should appear. Take two sides of the hair from the front and then twist both of these sides and then join it together and then cut it. Take a comb and then comb it out. After taking your comb, make vertical cuts into the hair. It naturally has a slightly diagonal look. Once again, begin to make vertical cuts on the other side of the hair, the one that has not yet been completed. Now take a flat iron or take your hair straightener and then put the section of the hair into it, as this will help it slightly puff up and add volume to the hair. Thank you for watching.